Car number 35 from Westfalia joins on the track, just waiting for the green flag. The car from Westfalia gets the green flag and sets off. And I think we'll get some action. The car from Westfalia is catching up. That award still goes to Westfalia, who almost broke the 90-second barrier in the previous lap. Situation evolving here on track, we have Chalmers closely followed by Westfalia. I do have the feeling that the Westfalia car is going slightly quick. And as we were predicting, the Westfalia car overtook the Chalmers car just to follow the big distance. Beautiful slide there from the Westfalia car into Broken Dreams. Westfalia, Nuremberg, Chalmers and Esslingen all within a second. Westfalia in the driver change. The driver really tried to get it below 90 seconds. Very good and clean drive from him. Let's see if the second driver can put up a similar performance.